Hey there guys, Alex here from SBP, and in this video today I'll be telling you exactly why you should consider switching over to Productized Services. Let's get into it. Alright, first we should talk about what are Productized Services, and then we can discuss why you should consider switching over to Productized Services within your own agency. So, when looking at a productized service, it is very important to take these two different perspectives into consideration. There's a customer's perspective as well as the founder's perspective. From a customer's perspective, a productized service basically offers a straightforward and complete solution with a fixed price as well as a visible scope. From a founder's perspective, a productized services is one that systematically runs itself as well as continues to expand and grow with or without your constant input. So now, the next question to consider is who is best suited to productizing their services? Pretty much all types of entrepreneurs would be able to productize their services, however the following examples would absolutely excel at selling productized services. A few of these examples would be consultants, freelancers, agencies, startups, software companies, as well as anyone with a specialized skill set that they're able to sell for commissions. So now you may be wondering, Alex, why should I switch my business over to productized services? And that would be an absolutely valid question. Let me give you a few reasons why switching over your business to productized services is absolutely beneficial over selling your services traditionally. Compared to a traditional method of selling your services, productizing your services offers you a very easy and simple way to accept payments from your clients. Since all of your services have a predefined and fixed scope, your pricing is able to match that with clarity and transparency. Another point taken into consideration is a simplified process. Considering the fact that your services are going to be productized, every order from a specific service is going to be similar to the previous one. This is going to allow your team to become more and more efficient over time and execute these orders at absolute efficiency. Another benefit to productizing your services is having a predefined scope. Having a predefined scope allows you to agree ahead of time on what the deliverables of a project are before your client makes any payments. Our next point is specialized execution. Considering the fact that you're going to be providing productized services of a very specific kind, you're usually going to be an expert at the kind of services that you provide which solve a specific problem for your clients. And for my last point, I have the biggest benefit that you have by productizing your services, which is easy scalability. Considering that productizing your services is going to create an automated workflow, it is going to be easy for you to expand your business in the future by bringing on more teammates and bringing on more people to work with you. In case you're interested in productizing your own services and would like an easy way to do so, we provide a software that allows you to automate your client experience as well as every other step of the way. We provide features allowing you to set up your services, customize your forms, customize your client's dashboard, as well as after-sales communication. Feel free to check out the description for more videos on how you can do this with Service Provider Pro. In conclusion, today we've talked about what productized services are, who they would suit best, and their advantages over traditional methods of selling your services. Hopefully this video has helped you understand more about productized services and has piqued your interest. Please feel free to ask any questions that you have down in the comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have an awesome day.